Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn and Build Web Application using ASP.NET MVC and Code First Entity Framework video series. In this Lab 9 video, we're gonna see about what is Razor View and what is Razor View engine and what are all the advantages of using this Razor View or Razor View engine. And we're gonna compare and see Razor versus SPX WebForms view engines. Okay, so these are all the topics that I'm gonna cover in this Lab 9 video. So let's begin with Razor View. What is Razor View? Razor is a markup syntax that allows you to embed a server-based code into your web pages. Okay, so here you can see it's if you go to index.cshtml, which is present in employee folder. So here you can see Razor is just nothing but a markup syntax. So it allows you to embed a server-based code into the web pages. This also allows you to to embed a server-based code here. For example, here you can see if you want to embed like for loop, etc. We can embed it here, or if you want to use if condition, etc. Or anything we can embed it over here. For this, we have to use @ symbol for. Okay, so server-based code can be embedded into this HTML page. Okay, so it's Razor is just a markup syntax, and also it allows you to embed server-based code into the web pages. Okay, next Razor View as a new and advanced syntax that are compact, expressive, and reduce typing. You can see here there is a new advanced feature which is present in Razor View where we can use at HTML, and we can use whatever the input types we want, and we can easily it's more clean and it's very easy to use. Okay, so text box area, etc. We can it's a very easy to use, and it also reduces typing. Okay, Razor syntax starts with the code at the rate character and does not require any explicit closing of the code block. Okay, it will start with at the rate character, you can see here, and it does not even not required to close closing code block. Okay, so unlike in SPX web form, you need to close a block where we will be using like the syntax percentage angular bracket percentage. So this is the syntax which we normally use in SPX, where you have to close this for the particular code block. Okay, whereas in Razor, um, no need to use explicitly closing of where not required. And then Razor View will have the file extension .cshtml and bbhtml. So based on the language selected, Razor View will have extension as either CSHTML if we are using C# language. If we are using Visual Basic language, then it will be bbhtml. Okay, Razor View doesn't even support design mode in Visual Studio, so you cannot see the page look and feel. Okay, if you are using if you are using SP.NET web form, then in the SPX pages there is one thing called as design mode. So where what you can do is you can design the page, and you can see the design of the page, how it looks before running it in the web application itself. You can see how the page looks. So this design feature is not present in Razor View. So this is about Razor View, and also you can see whenever if you want to add any view, say suppose any view. So here you can see we can select the particular view engine. We can either select Razor or ASPX, and also if we want to create a strongly typed view, we can select this and select the model class which is present for us so suppose employee, and also we can select the several scaffolding template which is defined, so that it will automatically generate you the view page. And here we can also select master page. If there are multiple master pages, we have to select the particular master pages, or it will take the default master page which is defined in view start.cshtml. And also we can create as a partial view. Okay, so this is about the razor view. And so now let's see what does this razor view engine. Okay, Razor View Engine, it's is the advanced view engine that was introduced with MVC3, and Razor Engine is the one which converts the Razor syntax to HTML web page and delivers it to the browser. Okay, Razor Engine is the one which converts this Razor syntax to the HTML web page, and it delivers it to the browser. Okay, so now let us see what exactly this point is. Okay, now let's go to the application and see. So here is the index.cs HTML which is present in for employee controller, and here you can see all the razor syntax which is present at html.level for, at html.editor for. Okay, so if you if I build the application and see uh, employee slash index. Okay, so here let me go to the view page, right click and go to the view page source, and here if you see all the pure HTML markup syntax is present. Okay, so here you can see there is no at the rate HTML dot razor view syntax. So here you can see all the layout page which got rendered, and after that coming to this page index.cs HTML which got rendered to master page. Here you can see in this form all the pure HTML markup syntax which is present for us. So uh, the Razor engine is the one which converts this Razor syntax to the HTML web page and also delivers it to the browser. Okay, so normally this Razor web pages has two types of contents. One is HTML code and the Razor code. Okay, so whenever the server reads this page, it first identifies and runs the server, or that is server code or Razor code, and then it will create the dynamic HTML content on the fly, and then sends all the final generated HTML markup syntax content to the browser. Okay, so this is how the Razor view engine works. Now let us see what are all the advantages of using Razor view. Okay, Razor does not require you to explicitly close a code block. This view engine is passed intelligently to determine what is the presentation element and what is the code element. Okay, so there is no need you to explicitly close a code block, as I mentioned earlier, because Razor engine is smart enough to identify which is a presentation element and which is a code element. And Razor is the best engine in MVC, as it is much cleaner and easy to read and write. Okay, Razor also has IntelliSense support. You can see Razor also has IntelliSense support. So you can see the IntelliSense, it has IntelliSense support, and unit testing can be done easier when compared to SPX WebForms, and it also supports a layout, an alternative to master page concept in SPX WebForm. Okay, so these are all the advantages of using Razor view. Now let's compare what's the difference between Razor versus WebForms view engine. Okay, Razor has a new and advanced syntax that are compact, expressive, and it also reduces typing, as we see. So Razor uses at the rate symbol to make the code, like example like at html.textbox, etc. Whereas coming to WebForms has the same syntax like ASP.NET WebForms. We use as .aspx pages. So the syntax used is like angular bracket percentage equal to, and by default Razor engine prevents XSS attacks, that is cross-site scripting attacks. Means it encodes the scripts or HTML tags, like if any script or JavaScript tags, So it encodes it before it is rendering to the view. So suppose any JavaScript tags that are present in the database, which so in order to it will be encoded before it is rendering to the view in the razor. But coming to web form engine does not prevent XSS attacks. Means any script saved in the database, uh, any such kind of scripts which is saved in the database will be fired while rendering the page. Okay, Razor engine is a bit slow when compared to web forms, because all the Razor engine is a one which converts the Razor syntax to the HTML markup. So we can say due to this, Razor engine might be little slow when compared to WebForm engine. So WebForm engine is faster than the Razor engine. And Razor View engine does not support design mode in Visual Studio, which means you cannot see your page look and feel. WebForms engine support design mode in Visual Studio, means you can see your page look and feel. Okay. So in Razor engine, if you want to use command lines, then you have to use at the rate star this way. So to comment it out the same. Okay. Whereas I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for watching more videos. Thank you.